Bhopal roared with energy as Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressed a massive gathering of women at the Lokmata Devi Ahilya Bai Mahila Sashaktikaran Mahasammelan held at Jamburi Maidan.
यहाँ पहुंच चुके हैं इस महासम्मेलन के लिए
Honoring the legacy of one of India's visionary women rulers, Ahilya Bai Holkar, the Prime Minister paid a floral tribute in Bhopal. Here are the key highlights of Prime Minister Modi's visit to Bhopal. Over 1,000 cutouts from the BJP party office to the venue featuring PM Modi and CM Mohan Yadav themed selfie points with slogans like Vow of Revenge for Sindoor and True Devotee who upholds Raj Dharma. The Datia Airport, constructed at a cost of 60 crore rupees, and Satna Airport, constructed at a cost of 37 crore rupees, was inaugurated virtually. PM flagged off the 6-kilometer long super priority corridor of the Indore Metro Yellow Line, including 5 stations. A special 300 rupees denomination commemorative coin bearing the image of Devi Ahilya Bai was released. The coin, weighing 35 grams, will contain 50% silver and is the first of its kind to be issued in India. A special postal stamp dedicated to Devi Ahilya Bai was also unveiled. Tribal and folk artists making significant contributions to traditional art was honored with the National Devi Ahilya Bai Award. PM Modi visited an exhibition showcasing Devi Ahilya Bai's governance model, cultural contributions, and work in women empowerment. The first installment for the construction of 1,271 new Atal Gram Seva Sadan worth 483 crore rupees was released. Over 80,000 crore rupees worth of barrage, stop dam, and construction works was launched in Ujjain, Indore, Devas, and Dhar districts. In his speech, PM Modi highlighted the legacy of Lokmata Ahilya Bai.
उन्होंने आदिवासी समाज के लिए, गुमंतु टोलियों के लिए खाली पड़ी जमीन पर खेती की योजना बनाई है। ये मेरा सौभाग्य है कि मुझे एक आदिवासी बेटी आज जो भारत के राष्ट्रपति पद पर विराजमान है, उनके मार्गदर्शन में मेरे आदिवासी भाई बहनों की सेवा करने का मौका मिला है.
In a bold declaration, the Prime Minister touched upon India's stand against terrorism, referring to Operation Sindoor.
जहां पाकिस्तान की सेना ने सोचा तक नहीं था, वहां आतंकी ठिकानों को हमारी सेना ने मिट्टी में मिला दिया. ऑपरेशन सिंदूर ने डंके की चोट पर कह दिया है कि आतंकवादियों के जरिए छद्म युद्ध, प्रॉक्सी वॉर नहीं चलेगा. अब घर में घुसकर भी मारेंगे और जो आतंकियों की मदद करेगा उसको भी इसकी भारी कीमत चुकानी पड़ेगी.
Bhopal had plenty of reasons to celebrate with multiple project announcements made by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. How many of them will actually materialize remains to be seen.